Ridge installation. To identify the glazing bar positions for your conservatory, refer to your diagram. The glazing bars can then be counted anti-clockwise around the layout. Temporarily support the ridge assembly in the correct position. Start the ridge assembly by attaching the Edwardian hip bars to the boss end. These are the diagonal bars that run diagonally from the corner of the eaves to the boss end. From the underside of the boss end, pass the M5 by 25 mm roofing bolts through the pre-drilled holes in the hip and loosely secure with an M5 flange nut. Slot the holes at the bottom of the Edwardian hip bar over the M5 bolts located in the bolt retainers that sit either side of the eaves beam corner. Loosely screw on the M5 locking nuts without tightening. Repeat on the other side. Attach the first starter bar over the single bolt retainer in the eaves beam. Locate the holes in the top of the starter spar over the M5 by 25 mm bolt in the ridge. Loosely screw on the M5 locking nuts without tightening. Once completed, the ridge is self-supporting. Use your installation guide to carry out checks. Drill and fix the wall bars using fixings positioned 150 mm from each end and no more than 600 mm apart, avoiding mortar beds. Some fixings shown in this DVD are for studio build only. Please refer to your installation guide for the correct fixings required.